Hello everyone. Yesterday I introduced a new product to you. It's a crypto exchange. I have introduced how to use it to exchange EOS based tokens to Ethereum based tokens, and how to use Scatter as the crypto wallet. Today's topic is similar. Today we will talk about how to exchange Ethereum based tokens to EOS based tokens. And because EOS is different from Ethereum, so today's we will introduce a new crypto wallet to you. It's MetaMask, and MetaMask is a browser extension. So you need to download and install it first. And after that, you can use our platform to exchange Ethereum based tokens to EOS based tokens. Okay, let's see how to do it. Today we will buy 0.001 Jungle and sell 0.001 Venus. And as I have introduced yesterday, and Jungle is a EOS based token and Venus is an Ethereum based token. And we will use this one as our mail address to get notified about the transaction's results. And we will set this one as our recipient account to receive EOS funds. The exchange fee is 0.0002 Ether, and we will make the order expired in 1 hour. Okay, so the form is done. Let's send the new order. A new dialog will appear, and it's from MetaMask, and you can see the dialog is different from the dialog from Scatter. Just to confirm. And after around 15 seconds, and the transaction will be pushed, and a new block will be created. So we need to wait for 15 seconds, longer than a block created in EOS blockchain. Okay, another dialog appear. Let's confirm again. You can see the transaction is done successfully. Just need to wait. Okay, it's done. And the whole process takes 2 minutes maybe. So we will not wait for the whole transaction down. So today's tutorial video is almost done. So today we have learned about how to exchange Ethereum based tokens to EOS based tokens. Thank you for watching. See you next time.